Today I'm going to show you how to make bookmarkers with craft foam. Well, this is the machine you all know. I choose pattern and saved. This is the one if you save it on a USB stick. But I have a cable between my laptop and my machine. Remember, when you use a cable with your machine, this is only a temporary storage. As soon as you put out your machine or your computer, the files you have saved there are gone, so remember that. Here are the files that I want to cut with craft foam. I always use the scan function because it saves you material and it will save you from cutting just off the material. Every time I was too lazy to use this function, my designs were cut wrong or it wasn't on the material right, so please just use it. It's there to use it. Here you can see the craft foam that is scanned in. And now I can easily put all my images on the right position, on the right color of foam. I also will show you how to select part. This is where you can select parts, and the other one is where you can select all at once. And this particular image was not grouped, so here I am grouping it. So this way you can group your images when needed. Also, I wanted to cut the cupcake in purple, and as you can see I didn't have enough room on my mat. So I save all the images on my machine, temporary, so I can go easily back to that. This function is very easy when you have an image saved on your stick, but you need to size it and to have the right size. Save it on your machine if you need to cut it more than once. I had the sunglasses but decided that I didn't want them, so I deleted them too. As you can see, it's very easy to get everything on the right place. If you did all your updates, you have this button and you can always change your settings just before cutting. You don't need to go to the wrench tool. So if you don't have that button, that means you didn't have all the updates, so go update your machine. I have used the deep cut blade, the purple one. I had set it on 12, but my stick was off, so it might be that you cut it on 11 or 10, but most of the time if you use your deep cut blade, you set it deep. My pressure I had set on 0, I believe, but later on I have set it on -1 because I wasn't satisfied with how it cut. Everything is cut right now. I cut the last two parts that I wanted in purple, so I put on the purple craft foam on my mat. I just use the home button to clean my screen and go to my machine where I save my files, and I go to the select tool and I go and select everything, but as you can see it doesn't work how I wanted it, because if you use that select tool and select all and you select one image, you can deselect like how it's now, and you can easily get everything in the trash can at once, so you don't have to do it per image. Like I said before, I'm gonna scan again because it's really nice tool to have, and just use it. It will save you a lot of color. And again I drag everything in position to cut it nicely, and here you will see I will change my setting to -1 with the wrench tool. And as you can see, I have speed always on 1. I never am in a hurry, and the lower you have your speed, the nicer the machine will cut. And you can see it's just 1 minute he needs to cut those pieces, so why do you want to do it faster? This was an old cut, so that isn't right. And here you see how we have got it. I'm not really satisfied how it looks, but it seems with foam you just get the start and ending point in your foam. There's nothing you really can do about it. But it's cut nicely, and I can make my bookmarks with it, so it's no problem. Here you can see all the parts I have cut out. I like to put everything in place before I start gluing and such. These are some bookmarks I already made to test. You can see I did it in different colors. I did one in 1 part and one in 3 parts. I also have the ribbons ready for my bookmarks and my pearls that are adhesive, I think you call them, and my glue gun. I find that the glue gun glues foam the best. If you like to use other glue, that's up to you. As you can see, I have matched the colors with the craft foam. And the seahorse is very easy. It's 1 part, and you just put some glue on the ribbon. You put your seahorse on it, and your bookmark is done. So it's also across all. Now 5 minutes tops. The only thing I hate of the glue guns is the wires they make. So that makes me crazy sometimes. Now I'm gonna make the cupcake. Because it has many parts, I like to make the cupcake first before I attach it to the ribbons. And also I want to use 2 ribbons with the cupcake. So making the cupcake first as a whole is way easier, I think. But if you want to do it the other way around, it's up to you. And as you can see, it goes very easily, and you don't need to use much glue, just a few drops. It's more than enough. See all the wires? I don't know a better word for it, but I hate them. But if I use other glue, everything has glue on it, except the parts that need to be glued. So I am very bad with glue. Figures I use mostly HTV or vinyl, just regular vinyl. I'm not that crafty with paper and foam. I like to do it, but the results are never what I had in mind because of the glue. Although the bookmarks are going pretty good, I think, for someone that doesn't do those crafts often. And as you can see, you can glue 2 ribbons as well, because the foam will keep the ribbons together. And I make these bookmarks, but later on when I was making these, I thought, well, you can easily make it for presents to wrap around your presents with a theme. Look how cute this is. And it's not even finished yet, because they need to have a polish, because cupcakes have candy, of course. I had a very white ribbon for my pineapple. See, all the glue is everywhere. I hate glue. And it's only 2 parts. So you see, I have made a bookmark with the seahorse. That's just 1 part. This pineapple has 2 parts, and the cupcake has many parts. And it's all doable. It looks harder than it is. So I hope you have get the confidence with this that you can do it as well, and love it as well. And I hope you will show me your designs and your bookmarks, because I am very curious what you guys can make of this, because I know for sure you are better than I am. I just can come up with great ideas, but making them is not always the best thing I do. Like my mom is great with cards. She makes beautiful cards, but I can get it done. And by the way, these cupcakes and everything I have used are designs I made myself and sell in my store. So if you like to make those cupcakes, the file you can find on my Etsy shop or on my website. So you don't have to make it yourself. And they're all cut ready. You only have to size them and choose your own colors. And as you can see, the pearls are shooting everywhere. When I add the pearls, it gives just that finishing touch on the cupcake. When I'm done, I will show you some pictures that will show you exactly how cute they are when they are finished. And I hope you will show me your designs and your makes, because that gives me always joy and inspiration to do more fun stuff like this. Well, thank you for listening and watching my videos, and I hope you have a fun craft time. Bye bye, and see you next time with my next project.